Hey guys, wanted to make a point of clarification on REA5. That's this week's research essay assignment. Basically, this essay assignment is going to have two sections. The first is where you're going to identify the major claim and the argument or arguments that support it for the source that you choose. That's section one. And you should try to do that in 100 words or less. Now, if you get to 150 or 200, you have to do that, fine. But the best assignments, the ones that will receive the highest grades, will be able to do that in 100 words or less. And that means major claim, colon, major claim. Argument, colon, done. Depending on the complexity of your source, really, you can probably do this in 30 to 35 words. If the source is complicated and it's a circuitous route to establishing the major point, then yeah, it can take you 100 words. But really, I highly doubt that you have a source that cannot be summarized, major claim, argument, and arguments in support, in less than 100 words. So if you can do that, great. That's where your major points are going to come from. The second part of that assignment, let me look at it again, is developing the claim that you want to make in your research paper and the major argument that you're going to do for it. So basically, ideally what you're going to have is you're going to have a very clearly well-written source that you're going to summarize, and then you can look at that and sort of use it as a template for yours. If you have a problem with that, just look at They Say, I Say. I think it's chapter 8, whatever it is. Does a great job explaining how this is done. But really, right now, this is week 5. Right now, we're halfway through the quarter in terms of instruction, and that particular this particular assignment is really where we're beginning basically writing the paper. From the ground up, you're basically, right now this week, you're going to say, here's what I'm going to show in my paper, this is what I'm claiming, and this is basically how I'm going to do it. This, ideally, is not going to change for the rest of the quarter. So what you do this week, will hopefully take you through to the end of the research paper. So this is a pretty big REA, and again, I'm not looking to ping you for anything. Everything that you do well, I'm going to give you credit for. If it's something I can overlook and it's a negative, I will. Just, do your best. If you have any questions, tweet, email, call. All right, see ya.